So I'm going to start with 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm using bread flour because I'm all out of all-purpose flour, so I'm just going to use the bread flour. I'm going to use a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of thyme, and I'm just going to mix this all together. I have my 2 tilapia fillets. I'm just going to pat them dry. Salt and pepper, both sides. And now I'm going to dredge. And lay that on my plate. And do the other one. Shake off the excess. And now we'll go to the pan. I have my pan heating up on medium. I'm going to use my garlic infused virgin olive oil. I'm going to use a tablespoon. I'm also going to put a tablespoon of butter in with the olive oil. Okay, my oil is heated up. My butter has melted. This is going to go about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. I bumped up the heat a little bit to like a medium high. I just don't want it to burn, that's all. Okay, so I'm going to throw in a couple small pieces of my frozen garlic. Let's see if I can turn this over. There we go. That looks beautiful. Nice. And now what I want to do is, because I didn't put the garlic in at the start of this, I'm just gonna try to baste it. Turning it back down to medium. I don't want to burn my garlic. It's already getting toasty. thickest part of the bigger one. Oh, these are definitely done. These are definitely done. So let's pull them off. Turn the heat off. Let's put some lemon on it, a little bit of lemon juice. There we go. That's gonna be so good. I'm gonna put this over some rice pilaf that I made. I made it in my Instant Pot. Thank you once again for joining me in Babci's Corner, in Babci's Kitchen, my kitchen, while I made my pan-fried tilapia. Hope to see you soon. Until next time.